Children, today we are going to start with exercise 8.5. In this exercise, we are going to do the addition. So remember that when you are writing the digits, decimal, below the decimal, you will be writing the decimal numbers only. Okay, like 0.007. In A part, it is given 0.007. So below that only you will be putting the decimal, and 8 should be at 1's place and 5 will be at 10th place. Okay. And next digit is 30.08. So 30 will be at 1's and 10th place, and 08 will be at 10th and 100th place. Decimal places will not change. Keep it in your mind when you are doing the addition. Then we will add it. 7 will remain as it is. 8, 5, decimal will remain here. Then 8, then 3. In this way, you are going to add the numbers. Let's do the B part. In B part, it's given 15 only. So we'll write 15 here. Then we'll put the decimal and we can add zeros in front of that. Next digit is 0.6332. So decimal will be remain as it is. And 6 will be at 10th place, 3 will be at 100th place, and 2 will be at 1000th place. Clear? Next is 13.8. So 3 will be at 1's place and 1 will be at 10th place. And 8 we will be writing at 10th place. Decimal places will not change, only the digits you will be shuffling up. Okay. So when you will add these numbers, you are getting 2, 3, 8 plus 6, 14, 9, 29.432 will be the answer. Is it clear, children? How to add the numbers? Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So what you are going to do in this question? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Yes, Charvi, you're right. We are going to do addition. Yes. Right, Riddhima? Yes, Tanishk, right. Shivam, Tanishka, your camera is still off. Yes, we are going to add the numbers here. So first of all, we'll write the cost of maths book. That is rupees 35.75. And cost of science book is 32.60. Now we'll we'll take out the total amount spent by Rashid. That is 35.75 will be added with 32.60. So the amount will be 68.35. Yes, Saksham, your answer is correct. Kanishka. So total amount spent by Rashid is 68.35 rupees. 68.35. That's right. Tanish, your answer is correct. Absolutely right. Yes, Sheher, correct. Yes, Jan, have you done this question? Kavya, open your webcam. Ryan, read the next question. Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3.
Radhika's mother, ma'am, yes. Radhika's mother gave her 10.50 and her father gave
rupees 10.50.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can say that 10 rupees 50 paisa. Or you can speak it in this way. Okay.
And her father gave her 15 rupees 80 paisa. Find the total given to Radhika by the parents.
So what we are going to do here in this question? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Radhika mother has given 10.50 money. Father has given 15.80. So we have to take out the total amount. So what we are going to do here? Ryan? Yes, we are going to do the addition. That's correct. Absolutely right. Yes, Jan, are you doing the questions or sitting idle? So amount given by Radhika's mother is rupees 10.50 and amount given by Radhika's father is rupees 15.80. So total amount given by their parents. Yes, we are going to do the addition. That's right, Rayan. So 10.50 when added with 15.80. What will be the answer? Yes, Saksham, your answer is correct. Tanishk, your answer is absolutely right. Add the numbers, all of you children. Tell me what is the answer when you will add it. Give me the answer in the chat box. Adit, your answer is wrong. Yes, Charvi, correct answer. Add the numbers. Chehak, your answer is right. Very good. Vidima Kapoor, your answer is right. Rayan Azhar Khan, Bhumika, your answers are correct. What about Kavya, Anya? You're not giving me the answers. Shivam Pokhrel. Yes, Jen. Adit Goyal. Arnish Mathan. Yes. 26.30 is the correct answer. $26.30 is the correct answer, children. Yes, Anya, Arav, that's right. Kavya, open your webcam. Yes, Jan, Suhan Khan, Arav Sharma, Arnish, Adit Goyal. Open your camera fast. Otherwise, I'm sending you in the waiting room. You have to wait over there. Suhan, you're not writing in your notebook? Now read the next question. Kavya, unmute yourself and read the next question, number 4.
Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her.
So what we are going to do here, Kavya? Shirt length is 3 meter 20 centimeter and trouser length is 2 meter 5 centimeter. To take out the total length, what we are going to do? Addition, subtraction, what we are going to do? क्या करेंगे हम?
Ma'am, plus.
हाँ. We are going to add the numbers. Yes, Jen, Anya Pali, Bhuvi Tandon, Adit Goyal, Ishal Ahmed and Anish Mathan. Still your cameras are off. But once more, if you'll close your camera, I will remove you from the class. Please be sincere about it. So what is the problem in opening the camera, Adit? Inshallah, are you opening the camera or not? Yes, we are going to, first of all, Cloth of the shirt is given 3 meter 20 centimeter and cloth of the trouser is given 2 meter 5 centimeter. Cloth of shirt is 3 meter 20 centimeter and trouser is 2 meter 5 centimeter. So total length, when we'll take it out, we are going to add the numbers 3.20 and 2.05 because 5 centimeter when changed into meters, it will become 2.05. Yes, 5 meter 25 centimeter is the correct answer. Aradhya, Charvi, Tanishq. 5.25 is the correct answer. That's right. 5 meter 25 centimeter, 5.25 meters. That both our answers are correct. Rayan Azhar Khan, Chehak Agarwal. Our answers are absolutely right. We are going to add the numbers here. So total length of the cloth bought by Nasreen is 5.25 meters. Clear, children? Prapti, read question number 5.
Restart. Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all?
Okay. Yes, Tanish, your answer is correct. Now we are going to do, what we are going to do here? Addition. Because Naresh has walked in the morning 2 kilometers, 35 meters, and in the evening he is walking 1 kilometer, 7 meters. Yes, we are going to do the addition. So distance walked by Naresh in the morning is 2 kilometers, 35 meter. Here I have changed 35 meter into kilometers. So I have divided 35 by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So I have divided 35 by 1000 here. So when I change it into decimal, it will become 2.035 kilometers. Because as you see in the denominator, there are 3 zeros. So when you change into kilometers, it will become 2.035 kilometers. Okay. Now distance walked by him in the evening, if you see the evening, that he has walked 1 kilometer, 7 meters. So when you change into the kilometers, 7 meter will change into kilometers, it will become 7 upon 1000. Okay. And when you change into decimal form, it will become 1.007. Okay. It's not 1.70, but it will become 1.007. Yes, Aradhya. Anya Pali, you're right here. So when you take out the total distance walked by Naresh, so you'll be adding the numbers 2.035 and 1.007. We'll add these numbers, so you'll be getting 3.042 kilometers. Yes, Chehak, your answer is correct. Rayan Azhar Khan, check your answer. So when you're adding these numbers, you will be getting 3.042. Vidima, your answer is correct. Anya, check your answer again. Do the addition again. Yes, so we can say that the total distance walked by Naresh is 3.042. Yes, Adit Goyal, right answer. Absolutely correct.
268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer 7 meter by car, and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence?
What do you mean by residence here? What does residence mean? Yes, Rayan, you're right here. Tanishq, you are also right. Yes, Ritima, Anish, answer is correct. Charvi, can you tell me what do you mean by residence?
Ma'am, final stop.
Home. Ghar. That is your, if you are filling a form, there it is written residential address. So residential address, what do you mean by that? Where you are living right now, that is your residential address. So your home is your residential address. Okay. So residence means the home. So she is walking 15 kilometer, 268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer, 7 meter by car, and 500 meters on foot she is walking to reach the school. So from house to school, we have to tell the distance. So what we are going to do here?
Ma'am, 15
We are
plus
going to
2.
first tell me what we are going to do here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Tanishq,
Ma'am,
Radhu, right?
additions.
Yes, we are going to do add here. We are going to add the numbers here. Yes, Charvi.
Ma'am, we have to convert 15 kilometer 268 meter into kilometer. So
Yes.
we have to add 15 plus 268 is equal to 15,268 upon with 1000.
Yes,
So
very
it
good.
is equal to 15.268 kilometers.
268 बेटा 268 नहीं बोलते हैं 268 आफ्टर डेसिमल
Okay, ma'am.
15.268 kilometers. That's
Sunita
right.
traveled by car 7 kilometers 7 meter. So we have to add 7 and 7. So 7007 upon में 1000. So 7.007 kilometer. Sunita walked 500 meter. 500 upon में 1000. 0.500 kilometer. So we have to add 7.007 and 15.268 0.500. So total distance is 22.775 kilometers.
That's the correct answer. Very good, Charvi. 22.775 kilometers. That's the correct answer. First of all, we have converted all the meters into kilometers divided by 1000 and changed into decimal, which we have done it earlier in the previous questions also. Now, to take out the total distance, we are going to add the numbers. Okay. So, total distance covered by from the school to her residence is 22.775 kilometers. Is it clear with everyone? Or still you're having any query in this question? You can ask right now if you're having any query. Chehek, unmuted. Your voice is cracking, Chehek. Yes, unmuted. Unmuted again. Okay, fine.
Give answers.
Okay. So, Tanish, your answer is correct. Yes, 22.775 kilometers we have solved. Yes, Jen, read the next question. Question number 7.
Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 250 flour.
850 grams flour.
Find the total weight of his purchases.
So what we are going to do here, Yash?
Then we'll add.
We'll add the numbers. So grams will be changed into kilograms. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams?
1000.
1000 grams. So we are going to divide here with 1000. So 5 kg, 400 grams. So 400 gram will be divided with 1000 gram. So it will become, when you change into decimal, what will be the answer? 5 kg, 400 grams. When we change into decimal form, what will be the answer?
400.5.
400.5. बेटा 5 kg आपके पास 5 किलो है राइस, ठीक है. एक आपके पास कंटेनर है जिसमें यू आर हैविंग 5 kg राइस. and 400 gram extra. So 5 kg will be, how you will be writing the numbers now in decimal form? Come on, start solving. 400 upon 1000, change it into decimal. What will be the answer? 400 upon 1000. Change into decimal. In the denominator, 3 zeros are there. So when you convert into decimal, what will be the answer? Yes, Chirag. What will be the weight of rice?
Ma'am,
When you convert these numbers into decimal, what will be the answer? No, yes, Jen. 400 divided by 1000. So in the denominator, 3 zeros are there. So after decimal, 3 digits will be there. So 0.400. So it will be 5.400. Clear? Understood now? If in the denominator there are 3 zeros, so after decimal there will be 3 digits. Now do the next one. Weight of sugar. 2 kg, 220 gram. 20 gram will be changed into kilogram. So what will be, when you will write in fraction, what will be the answer? Give me the answer in the chat box. 20 gram, when changed into kilogram, write it in fraction. What will be the answer? Yes, Tanish, your answer is correct. Yes, Ridhima, your answer is also right. 20 ग्राम को जब किलोग्राम में चेंज करेंगे तो उसको फ्रैक्शन में कैसे लिखेंगे? सिर्फ 20 ग्राम को. 1 kg 1000 grams. 1 kg में 1000 grams होते हैं. So 20 upon 1000. It will become 20 upon 1000. 2 plus 2 kg तो आपका पूरा है. So it will remain as it is. 20 grams जो होंगे उसको आप जब kg में चेंज करेंगे, it will become 20 upon 1000. Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. And in the denominator there are 3 zeros. So when you are writing in the decimal form, it will become 0.020. Okay, it will become 0.020. Yes, 2.020 is the correct answer. 2.020. Avni, you are not giving me any answers in the chat box. Not solving. Arav Sharma, where are your answers? Now weight of flour is 10 kg 850 grams. Change it into the fractional form. Yes, Ridhima, your answer is correct. Change it into the fractional form. Aradhya, tell me. 850 grams when change into kg, what will be the answer? Into the fractional form.
10.850.
It's 850, not 850. Again and again you are doing the same mistake. It will be 10.850.
850.
So 850 upon 1000 will become 10.850 kg. That's the correct answer. Now add all the numbers, total weight of the purchase. Add all the numbers. Yes, your answer is correct. Kanishka, Saksham, Bhumika, your answers are absolutely right. Add the numbers, children. Yes, Charvi, your answer is also right. Tanishk, your answer is correct. Charvi, just 270. Yes, 18.270. Aradhya, Ridhima, your answers are correct. 18.270 is the correct answer. So the total weight of the purchase is 18.270 kg. This will be the answer, 18.270. Radhika, और आंसर्स और शीट्स कहाँ हैं? सब्जेक्ट लिखो बेटा इस पे।